as teachers, are we, some I'm jumping because those were meant for the new students, but now I think the students are already acclimatized. Can we be good listeners? Listening is something very, very difficult. And what is listener? Who is a listener? A counselor is a listener. And if we become good listeners, we become counselors. We become friends to our students. They believe in us. Can my eyes be comforting? क्या मेरा हाथ का पैट किसी को कंफर्ट दे सकता है? क्या मेरा ह्यूमर है जो किसी और को हंसा सकता है? ह्यूमर जो है वो किसी और पे हंसने के लिए नहीं होता. ह्यूमर है अपने आप पे हंसना, किसी सिचुएशन पे हंसना, किसी ऑब्जेक्टिव सिचुएशन पे हंसना. Am I accepting the way the people are, or I'm trying to change them? And am I giving that a feeling that I am always there for you? How can we practice stress management? We must know, or we can write 15 minutes about things that stressed us recently and how did it make me feel. And that is what I said. Am I aware of things that stresses me? And adopting to relaxation response. Relaxation response is deep breathing. I would like to share my own thing कि मैंने आज तक कभी भी डीप ब्रीदिंग को ज्यादा महत्व नहीं दिया था. मैं सोचती थी कोई इतनी क्या बड़ी बात है, लेकिन जब खुद करनी शुरू करी तो रियलाइज किया कि विद इन 5 minutes वन बिकम सो रिलैक्स्ड. और इसका एक फिजियोलॉजिकल भी है कि जब भी हम डीप ब्रीदिंग करते हैं, the oxygen goes right till the lower levels of lungs and our blood becomes oxygenated and we feel relaxed. And body cannot have two paradoxical responses. If we are relaxed, we are not anxious. So if we are not anxious, we are not stressed. So best thing is to be relaxed, and relaxation is having deep breathing. That means from nose, deep breathe, then keep it inside your body, and then take out from mouth and nose the carbon dioxide slowly and slowly. Progressive muscle reaction is there. If the time will be there, I can give the demonstration. When we, from foot to the neck, we progressively relax our muscle while doing deep breathing and suggestions. It also helps us a lot. And I think sir might take it during 1 to 2 these exercises. Then for educators, the question is, do I have enough knowledge? Can I communicate with my students? Do I have very good listening abilities? Can I have empathy? What is empathy? Most of us know about it. Empathy is to be in somebody else's shoes, to feel what other person is feeling. And my favorite is, all my students know, is empathy is not, I know what you feel. Empathy is, I feel what you feel. Knowledge is different than emotions. Knowing is not enough. Feeling is important. Empathy is, I feel what you feel. What you go through, I can feel that. I understand while we are teaching, we can't convey this person to person, but students are sensitive enough to understand whether this educator can empathize or not. There is no judgment, no prejudices. हमें जजमेंट नहीं देनी चाहिए, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट नो what is the background of the student. How has he come? From where has he come? Has he come from a broken family? Has he come from a father who's an alcoholic? Maybe from a single mother? Maybe a broken home? Maybe whatever he may have come. Unless we do not know about the person, no judgment, no prejudices. And like I said earlier, the paradigm shift is, what is it? No, the paradigm should be, why is it? If the student is behaving like this, why is he behaving like this? Let me know the reason. Then only I can form an opinion and help that person to come out of it. And whenever anybody confides anything in person, never share it. Never share it by going back in the staff room and talk about the students. Even if suppose you happen to share a case, let that be a case, no name, no reference, no family name, nothing. Very important for teachers कि जब भी कोई स्टूडेंट आपके साथ आप अपनी बात करता है तो उसको कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी मेंटेन करनी चाहिए and enjoy what you are doing. अब एक्शन प्लान क्या है? ये मैंने तब बनाया था जबकि स्टूडेंट्स पहली बार किया था. आई थिंक अब तो स्टूडेंट्स क्लाइमेटाइज हो गए होंगे. वी विल स्टिल गो सून. Always welcome, accept, climatize, give them a feeling of sense of belonging, support them, break the ice. अब सारी चीजें एक टीचर नहीं कर सकते, तो make a buddy system, make teams, make a group leader. ग्रुप्स बना लें एक दूसरे की हेल्प करने के लिए, जिसमें एक सीनियर स्टूडेंट भी हो सकता है, एक ग्रुप लीडर भी हो सकता है, एक टीचर इंचार्ज भी हो सकता है, ताकि वो आपस में वो क्लाइमेटाइज हो जाएं, एक्सेप्ट कर लें, जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर कर लें, सो दैट ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट डजंट कम टू one teacher. The buddy system or the teams can help them. But I think the classes must be on now already. Then students definitely have academic stresses. They have to adapt to the new environment, schedules, learning and memorizing. प्रॉब्लम होती है कि लर्न नहीं होता, लर्न हो जाती तो मेमोराइज नहीं होता, मेमोराइज होता तो रिकॉलिंग नहीं होती. तो हाउ टू हेल्प देम? They have to meet deadlines of their projects, their presentations. They have stresses about examinations, getting good grades, and very important is time management. What is time management? Like I said, time is very, very personal. टाइम भाग रहा है, टाइम स्लो चल रहा है, टाइम रुक गया, टाइम बुरा है, टाइम अच्छा है. टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे है, ये सर ने हैंडल करना है. मैं एक छोटा सा एस्पेक्ट दूंगी जो मैंने पर्सनली किया था. मेक स्टूडेंट्स इन योर वाइल टेकिंग अ क्लास, हेल्प देम टू से कि आपके स्लीपिंग आउटिंग आवर्स कितने हैं, आपके खाने के आवर्स कितने हैं. कीप देम minusing those hours and tell them, now you are left with so many hours and you have to deal with so many subjects. Please make your own timetable. I saw this happening greatly with juniors as well as senior students. After my retirement, I was attached with a school and a college, and I realized that it worked miraculously when the students realized now perhaps they are left with few hours for one subject that they started working on it. Procrastination, making a diary. जब आप सुबह उठो और आपके पास पूरी clean slate हो and you start writing, that doesn't work. It always works when you plan your time one day before, and it works beautifully. And it gives such a great satisfaction जब आप डायरी के ऊपर टिक मार्क लगाते हो कि मैंने ये भी कर लिया, मैंने ये भी कर लिया, मैंने ये भी कर लिया. अब एक्शन प्लान्स क्या हैं? जो टीचर्स के होने चाहिए, कि we must have address where we can communicate daily or weekly schedules, facilitate time management. I don't know if the students have started coming to the colleges. Regular visits to library. Why this? I have a reason to say कि कई बारी स्टूडेंट्स एमए भी बीए तो कर लेते हैं विदाउट विजिटिंग लाइब्रेरी. So when I was teaching, I used to take my honors students to the library. I used to tell them to look for the books, क्योंकि उस टाइम ये गूगल नहीं था, and look for books. It was so strange that students would pass in graduation without looking at any book. Give assignments and projects. It's very sad to see that some students really know. They do very good projects, they do very good assignments, but they are unable to speak. Give them the practice in front of you so that they are able to speak in a very nice manner, so that they gain confidence before they join their profession. Regarding timetable, we have already discussed. Well, for most people, most of the time, most of the stress they encounter is self-induced. And also, I have something else to share with you. What is success? Success is the ability to go from one failure to another with no loss of enthusiasm. And we must, last of all, know that do I have two important things with me? And those important things are happiness and self-confidence. Do my children have happiness and self-confidence? Do my students have happiness and self-confidence? Do I have happiness and self-confidence? That is the self-confidence will lead me to professional success, and happiness will get me the self-satisfaction. Thank you.